The concept of transforming everyday household waste and garden weeds into a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer is one of the most rewarding practices a sustainable gardener can adopt. Often referred to as weed tea or compost tea, this homemade liquid gold offers an efficient, cost-effective way to nourish plants while reducing the amount of organic matter that ends up in landfills. Standard composting is a brilliant practice, but it requires significant space, time, and physical effort to turn the piles regularly. A liquid-based DIY system, however, accelerates the breakdown of nutrients and makes them immediately bioavailable to plant roots. By utilizing a simple stacked bucket design, any gardener, whether managing an expansive backyard plot or a small urban balcony, can create a self-contained, low-maintenance fertilizer factory. This system not only recycling kitchen scraps, but actively harnesses the deep-rooted minerals found in common garden weeds, turning a gardening headache into a potent plant tonic. To build this efficient fertilizer-making system, you only need a few basic, readily available materials. The core of the structure consists of two large plastic buckets of equal size, typically 5-gallon pails, which stack easily inside one another. The first step involves preparing the inner bucket, which will act as the filtration and holding chamber for the solid organic matter. Take this bucket and drill numerous small holes across its bottom surface. These holes need to be large enough to allow liquid to drain freely into the reservoir below, but small enough to prevent large chunks of kitchen waste or garden debris from slipping through. The second bucket serves as the outer collection reservoir, and it requires a modification to allow you to harvest the liquid easily. Near the very bottom of this outer bucket, drill a single hole that perfectly matches the diameter of a standard liquid spigot or tap. Carefully screw the tap into this hole, ensuring a tight, secure fit. To prevent any annoying leaks as the liquid accumulates, it is highly recommended to use rubber washers or a bit of silicone sealant around the threading of the tap. Once the tap is securely installed, you can nest the drilled bucket directly inside this tapped bucket. Due to the natural taper of most plastic pails, there will automatically be a few inches of dead space created at the bottom between the two bases. This empty gap is crucial, as it serves as the collection zone where the potent weed tea water will pool. If you happen to use buckets that stack too tightly and leave no gap, simply place a few flat stones, bricks, or large pebbles into the bottom of the outer bucket before inserting the inner one. The secret to a rich, well-balanced liquid fertilizer lies in the variety of what you put into it. Gather your daily kitchen waste, such as vegetable peelings, fruit scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells, and combine them with garden debris like green leaves and pulled weeds. Give the entire system a thorough watering. Pour enough water over the top so that it saturates kitchen scraps and weeds, eventually filtering through the bottom holes and filling the lower reservoir. The pile needs to be covered with a layer of mulch. Utilizing pieces of plain, unprinted cardboard is an excellent choice for this. It is vital to use an organic, permeable mulch like cardboard rather than a plastic lid, because it allows natural rainwater to penetrate the system if kept outdoors, keeping the environment consistently moist. Now patience becomes your primary tool. Leave the system to sit undisturbed for a period of 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, a dark, nutrient-dense liquor will brew at the bottom of the bucket, packed with nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and essential trace minerals. When the waiting period is over, your homemade liquid fertilizer is ready to be harvested simply by turning the tap. However, because this liquid is incredibly concentrated, applying it directly to your garden could shock your plants or burn their delicate roots. Safety and efficacy require dilution. A steadfast rule of thumb is to always dilute this liquid fertilizer using a strict 1:10 ratio. For every single part of the concentrated weed tea you draw from the tap, mix it thoroughly with 10 parts of clean water. The resulting mixture should resemble the color of weak tea. You can then use this diluted solution to water your vegetables, flowers, and houseplants, giving them a gentle, easily absorbable boost of hydration and nutrition that promotes vibrant growth and robust health.